Hello guys, if you are planning to purchase any DataCamp courses or the subscription plan, then I have a special coupon code for you. By using the coupon code, you can get a flat 50% discount on the DataCamp. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, I'll recommend you to visit this page codewithcurious.com/datacamp coupon code. Don't worry, I'll drop this link in the video description. You can directly check it from there. As you go down here, you'll find some more coupon codes which will offer an extra discount on the DataCamp. Definitely check this out. Here is a 50% DataCamp coupon code. Also here is an option to auto apply the discount. Just click on this button. Okay, then go to this page again, then click on show code and just copy the code. Once you copy the code, go to the DataCamp official site, then click on the course that you want to purchase. Currently I want to purchase this one. And here you can see the coupon has been successfully applied and I got a discount of a 52% and the effective price is 5,929. So thanks for watching the video and don't forget to visit this page codewithcurious.com/datacamp coupon code. Link available in video description.